In this video, we're going to show you how to create a form for public use so that visitors and prospects visiting your website have access to fill that form out. So when you log in to Coach's Console, you're going to click on Website, you're going to click on Forms, and we're going to add a new form. We're going to call this Session Prep Form. Now, I've already created this form in a Word document, so I'm going to simply copy and paste my description into the form. Now, this description is going to give the visitor an idea of what they need to do, why they need to do it, and the steps they need to take. And once you're done, you're going to start adding questions. And once again, I'm going to simply copy and paste. You can type in your questions, or you can create yours in a Word document as well. You have different answer types. You have a text so they can type whatever they want. You have the list type so that you can give them some options to choose from. You have the radio style, which is kind of a multiple choice. I'm going to choose text, and then I'm continue to copy and paste all the questions from my Word document that I want to display on this public form. I'm going to copy and paste this last question. And when you have all of your questions in your form, you're going to click on Next for form permissions. And in this, you'll see this option right here. This form is for public access, which means that anyone visiting your website will have access to this form so they complete it online. So we're going to choose this option. And I want to point out one more thing. You need to be sure to give them access. So we need to have somewhere on your website that they can access this form to fill it out. So we're going to create a menu. But before we do, we're going to make sure we save our form. And then we're going to scroll down to that form and make sure we click to display it on our website. So once your form is saved and displayed and ready to go, we're going to go over here and click on Menu. Then we're going to add a new menu to our website. We're going to call this the Session Prep Form. We're going to leave it in the main menu, and we're going to link this to the form we just created by using this drop-down list. And when you scroll down, you'll see it's the last form you created, and you'll simply click Save. Now you'll notice that this is at the bottom of your list. You can use these buttons to move the position of where you want this form to be seen. We're going to leave it right there. Once you've got it set up like you want it, we're going to preview the website just like your client would when they come to visit. So we're going to preview our website, and you'll see here the Session Prep Form is one of the public menus on our website. Your visitor can simply click here, and that form is going to open. You'll see the description we just entered. Here's all your questions, and they can begin immediately typing in their answers. They can type in as much as they want or as little as they want. And the next thing you'll notice is there's a space right here for them to enter their personal information. This way, when they fill out this form, this is a way for you to make sure that they are a real person, and it also adds them into your system as a prospect. So they're now a client, so you can have future communication with them. So they'll go in, and they'll fill out their name. They'll fill out their email address. And what happens when they fill out all this information, they're going to click Save and Send to Coach. And when that happens, you're going to get an email notifying you that you have a new prospect and you have a new form that has been filled out, and you can go onto your Coach's Console site and view that form. You can view it as many times as you want, and now you have a new client that's a prospect in your system.